coaching thought for the day, I want to share one of the first things that I was introduced to as a coach in a training, and it's something that I still hold on to and value and feel is perhaps one of the most important pieces that I have ever gotten. So let's dive in. This graphic is all about coaching styles. So different people have different coaching styles that they naturally tend toward. And then sometimes in some situations, there are different types of coaches that a teacher needs, even from one person. So the idea here is that on this left side is command and an authoritarian. So take charge, just telling somebody how to do something. As we move along the spectrum, there is a consultant, somebody who participates along with a teacher. There's collaborative, somebody who collaborates and just is inviting different styles of thinking. And then there is coaching and empowering. So what these look like is commands. The command approach is very much one of, I'm just going to tell you how to do something. Consulting is, I'm going to give you a list of options for things that you could do now that I've, heard the problem and you're looking for ideas. So I'm just going to give you a list and you choose from that list. There's collaborative, so you're going through and working together and thinking together as you go through whatever the problem is. And then lastly is truly coaching and just asking questions and trying to empower teachers to come up with their own answers and their own solutions. Some things about this that are interesting, notice the arrows below. So as you move to the right of the spectrum, this takes more time, all right? It does not take very much time to be a commanding coach with someone. You just get in and tell them what to do. But to help them think through is going to take more time and be very different. Control. So as we go this way on the far left, you have more control over here on the left side of the spectrum than you do on the right side. And here's the really interesting piece. Motivation and long-term commitment. The right side is where it's all at for ensuring that somebody takes what you're doing and continues to use it and make a lasting change. The left side, if they're just being told what to do, they are probably not going to stick with that long term. So I actually put this little spectrum across the top of the notes that whenever I meet with teachers, so that I can sometimes just need to consider which role I think they might need. But sometimes I absolutely will ask them, are you looking for ideas right now? Do you just want me to coach you through this and ask some questions? And it's also important to know where you just naturally are as a coach, and you can flex.